In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive CRM. We'll walk through the essential actions you need to get up and running, bringing in your existing data, connecting your email, creating and managing deals in your pipeline, scheduling follow-ups, and finally marking deals as won or lost. By the end, you'll understand the basic workflow that most teams use every day. Let's start with getting your information into Pipedrive. At the top of your screen, open the More menu and choose Import Data. Here you can upload spreadsheets with your contacts, organizations, and deals. Take a moment to match each column in your spreadsheet to the correct field in Pipedrive, like name, email, phone number, or deal value. This step is important to make sure everything lands in the right place and is easy to use later. When you're done, confirm the import and give it a few moments to process. Next, connect your email so all your communications are in one place. Go to Personal Preferences, then Email Sync. Choose your provider, such as Gmail or Outlook, and follow the prompts to sign in and approve access. Once connected, Pipedrive can automatically link emails to the right contacts and deals, which saves a lot of time and keeps your history organized without extra manual work. Now let's create your first deal. From your pipeline view, look for the green Plus Deal button and click it. A window will open where you can enter the deal title, the contact or organization it's related to, the estimated value, and the stage you want it to start in. Try to use clear, descriptive titles so you can quickly recognize each opportunity at a glance in your pipeline. As your deals move forward, you'll manage them directly on the pipeline board. Each deal appears as a tile under a stage column. To update a deal's progress, simply drag and drop that tile from one stage to the next. This visual approach makes it easy to see what needs attention and where each opportunity stands. To stay on top of your follow-ups, click into a deal and choose Activity. Here, you can schedule calls, meetings, or tasks with specific dates and times. Add notes about what you plan to discuss so you're always prepared when the reminder pops up. Finally, when a deal is finished, it's time to close it. From the pipeline view, drag the deal tile to the bottom of the screen and drop it on 1 if you've successfully closed it, or lost if it didn't work out. This keeps your pipeline clean and your reports accurate so you always have a clear picture of your results.